5 foods that destroy your hormones and skin. Acne happens to the best of us. Just when you think you're past that age where you wake up with a few new zits, it happens. Acne later on in life can often be attributed to an imbalance of hormones. Hormonal acne is the result of an endocrine imbalance. Most women experience the effects mid-cycle and/or right before their periods, the 2 points in the cycle when estrogen and testosterone are both at their highest points. When women can't process hormones correctly, estrogen and testosterone can accumulate. This prevents the body from being able to detox properly, which can lead to estrogen dominance. The result becomes inflamed skin and acne. The worst foods for your hormones and skin. 1. Dairy. A lot of dairy products contain synthetic hormones that contribute to excess hormones in the body. Dairy is also one of the main causes of leaky gut syndrome. It can cause inflammation in the body, leading to acne and other problems. 2. Soy. Soy contains phytoestrogens that can unbalance hormones. If you're already hormonally sensitive, consuming soy can cause breakouts. Soy is often an unexpected ingredient in many foods, so make sure you're checking nutrition labels. 3. Gluten. Gluten is similar to dairy in the way that it affects the body. It causes inflammation in the gut and can disrupt hormone levels. It can also be responsible for other health issues. 4. Canola, sunflower, safflower, and vegetable oil. These cooking oils contain more omega-6 acids than omega-3 fatty acids. An overabundance of omega-6 acids in the body can produce skin inflammation during peak estrogen times. 5. Caffeine. Caffeine might help get you going in the morning, but it can also affect your skin's immune response. Both coffee and tea can strip your body of essential B vitamins, magnesium and zinc.